In monthly grocery shopping, what is the most common item that you never forget to buy? Like you, the majority may recall many, but one item is present in every grocery list. Yes, you've guessed right. It's cooking oil, or you can say vegetable oil. And if you consider the US, domestic canola oil consumption crosses approximately 2.66 million metric tons. While shopping at your favorite dollar stores or Whole Foods, you might have seen this name numerous times, and if we are not wrong, you've already bought the canola oil for cooking. To maintain a healthy diet, canola oil is listed as a popular American choice because it has less saturated fat than any other oil commonly used in the US. However, the shocking fact is that over 90% of the canola crops grown in the United States are GMO. Also, apart from some low-fat benefits, it raises so many health concerns too. So, can you avoid canola oil from your daily diet? In this culinary world, canola oil is not a new term to all. In fact, canola began its journey as rapeseed oil in the middle of World War II. Back then, all trains and ships were steam-powered, and to keep them running smoothly, rapeseed oil was essential in the US. To fulfill these requirements, the Canadian rapeseed industry did a tremendous job where they imported 90% of this canola oil. However, after World War II, the demand for rapeseed oil continues to disappear because in a traditional format, it contains 60% monounsaturated fatty acids, which are again responsible for increasing high erucic acid with the risk of heart disease. Moreover, in 1978, canola oil was again available on the market, and this time it was totally reshaped by Canada through selectively bred from the original rapeseed, which has significantly less erucic acid. And the rest of the story we all know. After getting a green signal from FDA in the 1980s, canola oil came to market in the United States. From then, apart from cooking, canola is used in salad dressings, sauces, marinades, or for coating your pans for non-stick baking due to high heating properties. Even canola oil has many non-edible uses like toothpaste, cosmetics, bioplastics, pesticides, dust suppressants, industrial lubricants. In addition, canola is high in protein, which again makes it as a fantastic food supplement for many animals. That means canola oil is everywhere, right? What if we tell you that having canola oil in all daily items is not so much as good as you've been thinking all this time? In fact, this canola oil has some negative stories too, which you can't avoid. Remember, we have told you earlier that most canola oil you have seen so far is GMO. But the heartbreaking part is that about 90% of the world's canola crop is genetically engineered to resist Roundup, where reported concerns were noted. In addition, during manufacturing, this oil undergoes a high process procedure where the polyunsaturated components of the oil is highly unstable under heat, light, and pressure, which generates free radicals in our body and links to many health risks. After hearing, if you thought these types of disadvantages can be negligible, then hold on a second. Canola oil is typically extracted and refined using high heat, pressure, and toxic petroleum solvents such as hexane, which is known to generate nerve damage and cause inflammation to the rest of the body. Thus, apart from all these facts, if you still want to use canola oil for maintaining body fat, then there is again a disclaimer waiting for you. Due to the high refined manufacturing process, some of the omega-3 fatty acids are converted into so-called trans fat, a culprit that raises your bad cholesterol levels. Yet, if you already used this canola oil for cooking, then you're more likely to have metabolic syndrome too. Moreover, due to being extremely inexpensive to grow and harvest, canola oil is marketed in the US at a much cheaper rate. And yes, the harsh fact is that you just simply can't avoid canola oil from a typical Western diet. However, options like adding some organic items or alternatives like olive oil, avocado oil can be useful for avoiding this harmful effect of canola oil. However, to get these items, again, you have to spend some extra dollars from your pocket too. Thus, at the end of the day, it's completely your choice how you organize your heart-healthy life. Do you stick to this budget-friendly cooking oil, which has numerous health risks, or will you consider some costlier options which may limit your risks?
Thanks for watching our video. For more healthy experiences, subscribe to our channel and keep yourself updated by pressing the bell icon.